Look at my mini collection! Well, I first tried this lip product. Meron siyang staying power. Soft siya sa lips. That is why I purchased more! Meron silang bagong shades nga pala and we will swatch them out. If you're watching right now and makita nyo sa yellow basket yung buy one take one, grab the opportunity. Meron nga silang buy one take one 7/7 sale. I think that's a very good opportunity para makuha nyo sila. Ang ganda nung pag-partner niya, partner nung mga colors. Pero na nga rin siyang duo nung bagong shades. That's why very very good talaga. So ang gagawin na lang natin is we will swatch the light nude shades and then going to the darker. So try muna natin si Skinny Dip. Latte to go. Heart Locket. Baby Tea. Coquettish. July Forever. Pinky Bestie. Knee High. Wild at Heart. So there it is. Thank you for watching. Here are the swatch. I hope this helps as you find your shade for Teddy Tints. Bye!